We have talked quite a bit yesterday. It's a technology will transform mental health care. So we talked about machine learning residence room yesterday, and those are stories of Alpha Go and Alpha Zero, and we all wired up. Probably have heard Chinese government produce a third generation of ID card, and each ID card can be traced by GPS. So if we do not have chip in behind our neck, but everybody got monitored. So there's so much monitoring and different programs try to get involved with mental health care, and the academic, foundation, industry, government collaborations, and collaboration between scientists. And here's an example, and Canadian take the lead, APAC Digital Hub for Mental Health. And this is a wonderful endeavor to try to recruit so many countries, so much population. And the Canadian team is the leader. Rilam is the executive director, and Andy Grenshaw, he was here yesterday, is the scientific director. So this is really relationships with key policymakers and researchers in mental health. So not only talking about researchers, they also talk about policymakers. And use this platform to initiate pilot project, and also quite flexible with intellectual property policies. In addition, built on this one, there's another research led by a Canadian partner from University British Columbia, and also University of Alberta, University of Toronto, and the partner in China is Shanghai Mental Health Center. We call it Enhanced Measurement-Based Care Effectiveness Research in Depression. So measurement-based care is the way to go. And measurement-based care can be remote, can be static, can be real-time streaming. So here we call it enhanced measurement-based care. So it's online, a reminder system, have a kind of mild intervention, and telephone and WeChat coaching intervention. So routine assessment with scale integrated into clinical care is only one shot, one picture. But it's timely adjustment, medication, counseling, according that's one encounter, that's not enough. So it's needed the continuing monitoring, dynamic monitoring, and real-time streaming. So the benefit of measurement-based care for clinicians is tremendous, and certainly also important for patients. There's quite a number of innovation in this project called a mood thermometer, self-measurement with WeChat, and mobile health, collecting community and clinical health data, and also delivery manager of health status care, and also real-time monitoring. That will be the key for next phase. So the number of project, Amptica, and digital phenotyping. And then right now we all crazy about apps. And in the depression field, more than 3,000 reasonable apps in use, and more to come. So here is some report about the use of apps to analyze the data. Many they're doing depression, sleep, psychosis, warning system for suicide. Dr. Grenshaw already talked a little bit, if the patient take medication or not. So that's the one kind of. So this is the paperwork come from Beijing. Measurement-based care was a standard care for major depression. So this is a very interesting project. Certainly, in common sense, measurement-based care is more effective. In Canada, there's another network called Combined. Canadian Biomarker Integration Network for Depression. So the 19 university and hospital get together and build a platform to study treatment approach, cross-platform data collection, and also validate and retest, and also data science being part of that. So here's the collaboration team, and 16 health science centers and 12 universities. It's a major undertaking in Canada as a leader. So combined integration platform with clinical outcome, molecular profiling, preclinical EEG, neuroimaging, data science, and certainly emphasize knowledge translation. So I want to emphasize we should take on the opportunity, the revolution of the technology, and hopefully technology will create more science and benefit our patient. So I just like to acknowledge, I take the quite number of slides from Dr. Tom Insel, Rilam, Andy Grinshaw, and Claudio Sol. Okay, that's my catch for future of psychiatry.